Hello guys, and welcome back to Makeup with Weta. It's a new year. Welcome for all those new subscribers and the year 2019. I am very excited. Today I am posting up a video of a new look that I have created today. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you guys want to keep getting notifications of my next videos, please hit the notification button down below. And don't forget to comment, like, and share these great videos that I will be uploading for you guys. Thank you all so much for supporting me, the love, and let's go ahead and get started on this video. So I just start off with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I use that all over my lids so I can go ahead and set my eyes and get them ready for eyeshadow. Today I am using a Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette. It is called Exotic Peacock. I am using the color Lustful or Lust or Lustful. I don't remember. The point is, it's something with lust. So I went ahead and I packed that color in until I dragged it all the way out, making it look very freaky. Anyways, coffee break. Going back with a color called Sultry from that same palette. I went ahead and I used that as a transition shade. I went ahead and I used my blending brush that I received on one of my BoxyCharms boxes. I believe it was in September that we received these brushes, and I absolutely love them. They are so effing great. And I went ahead and I started blending out that color. So I would really like to hear from you guys. What are your New Year's resolutions? What great makeup products did you guys get for Christmas? Please comment down below letting me know everything that you guys got makeup related. What are your New Year's resolutions? You guys trying to lose weight like I have been for the past 70 pounds? Or what is going on next? So now I am blending the next color. I don't remember the name of it. I believe it was Dust or Stars or something like that. It's like a royal blue. And I went ahead and I added that on my crease. And after blending that, I went ahead and I did a cut crease. I am using again that LA Girl Pro Conceal with my concealer brush, of course. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a half, well, a little bit more than half cut crease. And wiping that extra product that has actually fallen. Well, it doesn't really have a fallout like that. I just needed to like make it look very sharp. I guess is what I did. Anyways, I go ahead and move on to eyebrows. If you guys have seen my videos, you guys know that that's the first thing I start with, eyebrows. But I did want to try something different since I have been seeing videos of makeup looks that I really like, and I always see that they do the eyebrow last. So I really liked how I ended up looking, so maybe that's gonna be the new technique from now on. So I am using a Morphe brush with an Anastasia pomade in the color Soft Brown. Now using another Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette, I am using the 80s Baby. I'm using the color, I believe it's called Baby Girl. I make sure I pack that in. I even use my finger to make sure that color just pops. And after adding enough shadow, I think I'm ready. No, I'm not. There's never enough. Okay, maybe now. There you go. I went ahead and I grabbed a blending brush and I started blending those rough edges. With that same brush, I cleaned it before I used it again. I went ahead and I grabbed the color Care Bear from that same palette. And again, using the same blending brush, I went ahead and I blended those rough edges. off camera, I did go ahead and I did a wing liner. I did use a mega liner from Wet n Wild in the color black. And with my duo glue that I use for my eyelashes, it is the green one. I went ahead and I applied some chunky glitter that I just received on the mail. I was so excited to use it. And I also applied my eyelashes. I believe there are the eyelashes G817 from AliExpress. So I go ahead and I do the same process in the other eye. Let me tell you, I loved how this looks, but using that glue makes your eyes very heavy. But hey, we do everything for beauty, right? Now using a shimmer color, like a pearl color, I don't remember the name of it. It's also from one of the Pinky Rose Cosmetics palettes. I went ahead and I used this color. It's from the palette Obsessed. And I use it in my inner corner of my eyes and also on my brow bone. So I didn't add this in the video, but I went ahead and I double stacked my eyelashes because I felt like those eyelashes were too simple for my kind of look, for my kind of taste. So I double stacked the eyelashes and I went ahead and I added my primer, which is the NYX Honeydew Primer, I believe it's called. I added I'm sorry about that, I'm kind of getting sick. I added the HD concealer from NYX as well on those imperfections. And then for foundation, I went ahead and I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. And I do mix those two together just to make the perfect color. After I blended all that out, I did use my Juno Beauty Blender. And I went ahead and I used the setting powder, the Fit Me Loose Powder from Maybelline in the color, I believe it's number 15. I don't remember the name of it. I am using the Kat Von D Contour Palette. And I'm making sure I go ahead and I blend all of that product out. If you notice, I did add some of that setting powder by my eyebrows. That's because my face is kind of oily. So once I start getting those oils out of my face, the first thing that gets very oily are my eyebrows. So I do want to prevent that. Now for blush, I'm going to go ahead and use the Pretty Vulgar blush that I received also in one of my Boxy Charms. I don't remember the name of it. If I'm not wrong, it's called Desert Rose. I think I don't remember the name of any of these freaking products. Just kidding. I remember the name of the products. I don't remember the name of like the shadows and stuff. But it's okay. When I post this picture up on my Instagram, I will put what palette and what colors I use. So if you guys follow me, you guys will see. Anyways, going back to this video, using highlight, I am using the Anastasia with collab with Embrace. I hope I'm saying it right. Don't laugh, guys. Do not laugh. Anyway, do you see how that highlight looks so beautiful on my nose? Looks like I have a tiny ass nose. Anyways, I went ahead and for my under eye, I used a like a royal blue. I'm not gonna say, I don't remember the name of it because I don't remember the name of it, but it's a royal blue from this palette. It's Obsessed. It's also from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I am very in love with these products. I'm a very big fan of Juvia's palette, Place palette. I do have the whole collection. I started collecting it about 2 years ago. And every time a new palette comes out, I buy it, I buy it, I buy it. But then I found this one out and I'm like, wow, these are so creamy. They're so gorgeous. I love them. So I do recommend you guys checking out Pinky Rose Cosmetics if you guys have not yet. I am very in love with it. So please go ahead and check it out. Tell them you guys saw it in my video so they can like give me some credit. Anyways, So after that blue was added, I went ahead and I used that blending brush with a little bit of that sultry color, that pinkish that I used at the beginning of the video to do my transition shade. So I went ahead and I used it on the bottom, and the reason why I used that color is because blue and pink kind of make purple, so I wanted to go ahead and bring that purple out. When that is done, I go ahead and move to lips. I hardly use lip liner. I went ahead and I tried this lip liner again because it came in one of my BoxyCharms boxes, and I like the color because it's very neutral, very natural, very nude. So I went ahead and I tried it, and it's very creamy, so that's a plus. And after I used that, I went ahead and I grabbed one of my Dose of Colors nude lipsticks that I have. If I'm not wrong, it's the color Bear, like B-A-R-E, not B-E-A-R. And after that is done, I went ahead and I grabbed my mascara. It is called the Double Lashes, also from BoxyCharm. Now using my Compa Mario spray, I went ahead and I sprayed my face, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you all so much for the love and support. I will see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and